Hello everyone, welcome back. GitHub Copilot just announced few updates. One is it has become completely open source. So for that you can just watch this particular video. Like I couldn't find any blog post on where they have mentioned that GitHub Copilot was open source. Like this was announced during Microsoft build, but I think they have not published a documentation or a blog post on that. So I couldn't really find it. Hopefully by the time you guys watch this video, they might have published a documentation as well. But apart from being open source, so if you want to learn more about it, you can watch this video. But apart from being open source, it also introduces a new coding agent. So let's go through this blog post. So we are excited to announce a new coding agent for GitHub Copilot embedded directly into GitHub. The agent starts its work when you assign a GitHub issue to Copilot or prompt it in VS Code. The agent spins up a secure and fully customizable development environment powered by GitHub Action. As the agent works, it pushes commits to a draft pull request, and you can track it every step of the way through the agent session logs. Having Copilot on your team doesn't mean weakening your security posture. Existing policies like branch protection still apply in exactly the way you would expect. Plus, the agent's pull request require human approval before any CI/CD workflows are run, creating an extra protection control for the build and development deployment environment. Using state-of-the-art models, the agent excels at low to medium complexity tasks in a well-tested code basis, from adding features and fixing bugs to extending test, refactoring code and improving documentation. You can hand off the time-consuming but boring tasks to Copilot that will use pull request, CI/CD and all of your existing tooling while you focus on the interesting work. A detailed look to run the new coding agent. Assign one or more GitHub issues to Copilot. It's as easy as that. You can do this on github.com, in GitHub mobile, or through the GitHub CLI, just as you would assign the same issue to one of your team members or yourself. You can ask Copilot to open a pull request from Copilot chat on GitHub or write in VS Code like this. Once an issue is assigned to it, the agent adds an emoji reaction and starts its work in the background. It boots a virtual machine, clones the repository, configures the environment, and analyzes the codebase with advanced retrieval augmented generation powered by GitHub Code Search. As the agent works, it regularly pushes its changes to a draft pull request as Git commits and updates the pull request description. Along the way, you will see agents reasoning and validation steps in the session logs, making it easy to trace decision and spots issue. With the power of model context protocol, you can give coding agent access to data and capabilities from outside of GitHub. MCP servers can be configured in the repository setting, and of course all your GitHub data can be pulled in from the official GitHub MCP server. And the agent isn't limited to just text. Thanks to the power of vision models, it can see images included in GitHub issues you assign to it. You can share screenshots of a bug or mockups of what your new feature should look like. Once Copilot is done, it will tag you for review, and you can leave comments asking for it to make changes. It will pick those comments up automatically and propose code changes. The agent also incorporates context from related issues or PR discussion and follows any custom repository instruction, allowing it to understand both the intent behind the task and the coding standards of the project. The Copilot coding agent is opening up doors for human developers to have their own agent-driven team, all working in parallel to amplify their work. We are now able to assign tasks that would typically detract from deeper, more complex work, allowing developers to focus on high-value coding tasks, integrated, configurable, and secure. All HWE agents need a compute environment to do their work. For agent mode in VS Code, it's the CPU of your PC or Mac, or a remote development container like GitHub Codespaces. When we started the work on project Padawan, there was only one answer to which cloud compute we should use: GitHub Actions. Introduced in 2018, Actions is the largest CI/CD ecosystem in the world, with more than 25,000 actions in the GitHub marketplace. Every day, GitHub hosted and self-hosted runners execute more than 40 million daily jobs. Open source projects, startups, and large enterprises all rely on GitHub Actions to run their build, test, and deploy workloads. Our coding agent is designed from the ground up to keep your project secure and ensures that it works. Get a review, before it goes to production. The following policies are applied by default. The agent can only push to branches it create, keeping your default branch and the one your team created safe and secure. The developer who asks the agent to open a pull request cannot be the one to approve it, so any required reviews rule you have set up in your repository will be honored. The agent's internet access is tightly limited to a trusted list of destinations that you can customize. GitHub Actions workflow won't run without your approval, giving you the chance to spot check the agent's code. Existing repository rule sets and organization policies are considered well. The GitHub Copilot coding agent fits into our existing workflow and converts specifications to production code in minutes. This increases our velocity and enables our team to channel their energy towards higher level creative work. Getting started today, the new coding agent is available to all Copilot Enterprise and Copilot Pro Plus customers. All you need to get started is enabling the agent in the repository where you want to use it, and if you're Copilot Enterprise user, an administrator will need to turn on the policy too. Additionally, you can activate agent mode in more IDEs including Xcode, Eclipse, JetBrains and Visual Studio. Beginning June 4, 2025, Copilot coding agent will use one premium request per model request the agent makes, whether it's code completion, next edit suggestion, chat, agent mode or now coding agents. GitHub Copilot has always had one mission: to keep you in the magical flow state, to do things you don't want to do so you have more times for the things you do, to find the creative sparks that brought you to this industry in the first place. Happy coding. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.